Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. Not shown right now household items I'm going to start with first. So I have 2 packages of toilet paper not shown and a pack of paper plates. But I got some aluminum foil sheets and I love these. They're great. They have the one side is the foily kind of side and one side is the non-stick. And there's 30 for $1, so what's not to love? I may sound a little funny too because I am still struggling to get over a sickness. And yes, so bear with me. I got a pack of the Scrub Buddies Nail Guard Sponges, the 6-pack. I didn't need these, but the last time I was at the Dollar Tree, they didn't have any. So I just picked them up just to have. Good Sense handle bags. Love these. My favorite Dollar Tree garbage bags. You get 10 of them for $1. They're scented like vanilla. Love them. The zipper seal bags from Good Scent, 18 freezer storage bags. I love these for just regular storage, like sandwich bag use, but also they're freezer too. So for me, they carry a double use, and there's 18 for $1. I needed some dryer sheets, so I got the Breezy Fresh Linen 55 count. I got some heavy duty duct tape just to put in my husband's cabinet with all of his like nails and things like that. And I got a pack of the Scrub Buddies 2-in-1 quick erasers. I love these magic erasers, the ones with a sponge side for cleaning and the other side for magic erasing basically. And we were coloring and we got some crayon on our floor, so I kind of needed these. These are great for cleaning up markers and crayons and all that stuff that, you know, parents sometimes face. So I'm going to grab those. Moving on to health and beauty, because I have been getting over the sickness. I just about depleted my daytime cold and flu relief, so I got, now this is comparable to Vicks Dayquil cold and flu as well. This works great. It is good. You get 4 ounces for $1, and it's just Assured brand, so I picked up one of those. And I got the sinus congestion and pain severe, it's daytime non-drowsy. I just got this to put back. Also I picked up this sleeping eye mask thing. It says offline. Basically I just needed one of these because Carter's having a Minecraft themed birthday party. I'm going to DIY a pin the tail on a donkey, but I'm doing pin the tail on the pig, and I'm going to make it look like a Minecraft pig. End of story. So I just needed that for his party. I always repurchase the cotton balls and the cotton pads, or well, cotton rounds from Assured brand. These hair ties were too cute to pass up. I love this floral print, and there's 2 different shades of blue there. I picked up a pack of the Assured brand 6 razors. You get 2 of those. Those are really good razors. I've never had any nicks or cuts, razor burn with these. I love them. And then my husband and I both needed a new loofah, so I got a purple one and I got this green one, and it has like gold throughout it. It's really pretty. And then new in the makeup aisle, I didn't see any like new makeup that I was like really gravitating toward there, but I did find this micellar cleansing water, makeup remover, and moisturizer. Yes, 6.7 fluid ounces, you guys. And it just says apply cleansing water to a cotton ball for face and eyes. Gently wipe the cotton pad on face and around eyes. Avoid direct contact with eye though. So yes, I was excited to try this, and I will this is Greenbrier, so I will probably do a review and demo for you guys using this as well. Moving on into some really cute, awesome stationery finds. I found this file holder, and it has cute little clouds on there. They had these in about 3 different designs: a wild and free design, the clouds, and a camouflage one. I just really love this. I'm going to be making some changes to my makeup area and collection. So look forward to some collection video stuff coming towards you guys. I was really excited for this expandable file folder. I mean, look how adorable that is. And I actually really needed one of these. My other one is full that I keep important papers in. So this was an awesome find. They also had these with like lilac flowers on them, but I really liked these. Are kind of like tulips, I guess. I'm probably wrong. Anyways, for Connor, I picked up some dry erase markers and this ABC dry erase board, and I thought that he could use this instead of paper constantly to practice on, and I love this idea, you guys. And I had a pencil sharpener. Yeah, guess what? Don't know what happened to it, but this is a sharpener and eraser combo. Once again, I did think the eraser part would be really nice for Connor as well as for sharpening his pencils and mine. I needed some rubber bands, so I got those. All this stuff is like from Jot. Isn't Jot awesome? I love this brand. One last Jot item, and it's a stapler set, and this is, they had these in several different colors. I picked up red. You get 200 staples with it, and it's slightly bigger than the other staplers they typically carry. Okay, from this brand, Pro Marks, I found these ultra fine pens, and I love these tipped kind of pens. I use the Sharpie pens, and I love them, so I'm hoping these are very comparable to that. And in the birthday aisle, I needed a small bag for some gifts for Connor, because we all know he's turning 5 on February the 24th. Isn't this bag adorable? That's like holographic right here, and it says, "You're kind of a big deal," and it has a pickle. Connor says, "Mommy, I don't like pickles." I just thought it was so cute. They had donuts and tacos and everything. And if y'all know my fertility kind of story, if I can remember, I will link it below. I was married 8 years before being able to conceive Connor. I did a full video on it, and he absolutely is kind of a big deal. And come with a cute little name tag. Now the back, however, is not holographic. Okay, it's just white. Now, cute, adorable bag. Now, before I show you what's inside of the bag, I did get a floor mat, and on one side it says hello, the other side goodbye. I'm going to insert a picture now. And I also said before too that Connor was getting mostly clothing for his birthday and stuff, so at the Dollar Tree I thought that I would fill him a bag full of fun, crafty goodies. Let's get into what is in the baggie. First up are these Crayola bathtub finger paints. Now, like I said, I wanted to get him some kind of busy stuff and crafting items, so I found this Hot Wheels coloring book. He loves Hot Wheels. It's actually really nice coloring book. And of course there's activities in there and stuff too. I'm a big fan of Hot Wheels. I did pick up a green Crayola Play-Doh thing and an orange. He's got all kinds of like stencils and cutout stuff for Play-Dohs, and I just thought those were so cute. And I found this Creative Kids Water and Color. It's one kit, so you just add drops of water and watch the colors magically appear. So I got him the fish. I also got him the Crayola Sun Catcher, and it's a cute little well. And he's very intrigued by the ocean, just like Mama is, and he loves anything to do with the ocean. I got this cute paint it yourself bank. They had a frog and they had a monkey. Isn't he cute? So, and then I got him some crayons, and not like he really needed crayons, but isn't it nice to have a new crayon? I always loved arts and stuff, and it always felt so good to have a new box of crayons. Anyways, it's got Batman, Wonder Woman, and Superman. There's 24 in there altogether. They're just, I thought, you know, go with the coloring book. And then he really enjoys painting, so hence why, you know, there's several like painting items. That's his favorite. And I picked up these Mickey Mouse paints because he has some, you know, papers and painting paper and stuff like that, so they could use that. So that's all in his little busybody kind of birthday bag. And I like gifts like this, and so does he. He loves crafting and just loves doing stuff like that. So yes, that's basically the haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's not it wasn't huge or anything like that, but I was still happy to share it with you guys. And I always find such awesome deals, and I love watching your guys' hauls as well, so I love sharing what I find as well. Thank you always for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys so much, and don't forget to check the description box for additional Dollar Tree links.